Car wheels were screeching and doors were banging, while the small diesel was busily shuffling back and forth through the cold evening air. It had a long day behind it, and a long night ahead. A much larger locomotive was waiting on another track, shrouded in a cloud of steam, awaiting its permission to depart. The catenary mats for the imminent electrification of the adjacent line were already stacked beside the track. Designed to modernize, constructed to burn, and employed to rebuild, here she would soon be dispensable. Sure, she will find new work elsewhere. But just for how long? One semaphore arm swung up, allowing the train to leave, the other one down, ordering a slow departure. A whistle echoed through the yard, and the Class 50 was off. Slowly, but gracefully pulling her long rake of wagons out of the crowded sidings onto the open, seemingly endless main line towards the horizon. When she was gone, the smoke still hung heavy in the air, and the distant rumbling of a heavy train could be heard, like the faint ghost of a bygone era. But the busy diesel took no notice. After all, its work had just begun. Thank you for watching this, dare I say, pilot, or what my channel's future may or may not has in store. I've been wanting to make a video like this for a very long time, and what you've just seen is just a little preview of what could come, at least if it resonates well with you, so make sure to let me know. And another special thank you goes to Contrian, Denman, Dave Heise, Flipschwip, Kay Frankly, Lucas Ilskens, Martin Wigiken, Søren Dominic Cook, Steamy Player, as well as all the other channel members for making this video possible in the first place. And if you're new to this channel, you probably want to learn about the history of our starring locomotive.